A practical homemade shower cleaner that removes soap scum, hard water deposits, and mildew mixes 1 cup water, 1 cup white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon Blue Dawn dish soap. For best results, use warm distilled or filtered water to help dissolve residues and lift minerals. Then combine it with equal parts white vinegar to break down soap scum and calcium deposits through mild acidity, while the Blue Dawn provides surfactant action to cut oils and lift grime. Put the mixture in a clean spray bottle and shake gently before use to avoid foaming. Then spray liberally on tile, grout, glass, and tub surfaces and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The vinegar needs contact time to soften mineral buildup, and the soap needs a moment to emulsify residues. Agitate with a medium stiff nylon brush or a microfiber cloth, working in small sections and rinsing frequently to prevent redepositing loosened soil. For glass doors, use a squeegee after rinsing to prevent streaks and reduce future buildup, and for grout, follow with a toothbrush or grout brush to work cleaner into the joints without damaging the grout. Avoid using this mixture on natural stones such as marble, travertine, or limestone because vinegar can etch those surfaces. Instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner for stone. Store any unused solution for up to 1 week in a cool, dark place and relabel the bottle so you and others know what is inside. Common issues include lingering hard water rings because mineral deposits are well bonded. If that happens, repeat application and allow longer dwell time, or apply a paste of baking soda and water first to provide gentle abrasion before spraying the vinegar solution. Another frequent concern is surface damage on acid-sensitive materials where homeowners mistakenly use vinegar. Do not use this recipe on natural stone or waxed surfaces, and always test on a hidden spot first. People sometimes find mildew returns quickly after cleaning because of poor ventilation. Fix that by running an exhaust fan or opening a window during and after showers, and consider spraying the cleaned surfaces with a light mist of the solution weekly to keep microbes from reestablishing. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources related to home maintenance and cleaning. Our community discussion boards let us share experiences, ask questions, and find practical advice from other homeowners and tradespeople.